level. Ki khubor ki babnya. Menteri Rangba o Conrad ke Sangma ulabu mau Nongrim na ka Bynta Bante ya ka Secretariat Complex ha Dakopgre Tura. Kani ka project ka basyong dor shispa san punru kelur tingka kadai ka jing pentrekam kabala angnut las lembha daki pajba jong karilum garo. Kani ka Secretariat kandon ya ki kamra na ka Bynta Menteri Rangba bat ki menteri Chief Secretary bat ki he officer. Kandon ru ya ki office terekam jang ki tenat baper badaka baong bakani ka project kala thau history na ka Bynta ki pajba ka jela bat khamtam e na ka Bynta ka rilom garo. Ulaong baka Secretariat kamdai tang ka yeng mala henre ka dei ka jing pensisha ban pen urlong ya ki jing angnut jang ki pajba jangi. Ulaong baka sarkar ka thau ya ki jing tei daka babu jingmut ya ki shispa asnem banwan bat kakwa ru ban pentikna baka jing senchar kamdai tang kaba khamjan shaki paiba henry kan long ru kabasuk banyo.
National Secretariat is important for the people of Garo Hills and especially the citizens here in Tura and the Garo Hills region. And through this, we will be able to bring administration to the doorstep of the people living in Garo Hills, where most of the services, most of the government schemes, people have to take long journeys to go to Shillong to avail those services. I'm sure that with the completion of the additional Secretariat, we will be able to provide those different services right at the doorstep of the citizens.
Kadorbar liur balai sngi jong KHASI Hills Autonomous